to my channel and welcome back to a video I haven't done in what feels like a very long time, and that is a Poundshop online haul. I don't even know if I've actually done one on this channel. I used to do them over on my Instagram, but now that I've said I haven't done it in a very long time, I feel like maybe I haven't actually posted what I've bought over on this channel. So anyway, enough rambling. If you want to see what I picked up, then just continue to watch. So there's probably nothing really exciting in this parcel. It's mainly like housey bits and just top-ups of things that we needed. I did have a look at, they had their Easter stuff on sale, and they also had started to bring out the Halloween stuff, but to be honest there was nothing really that took my fancy enough to make me want to buy it. So yeah, it's basically just household and essentials kind of thing, but I thought I'd share anyway. I will try and remember to leave the prices of everything I paid on screen, because although it's Poundshop online, we all know it's very rarely a pound. I will try and leave those prices on screen just because I'm filming on my phone at the minute, and so I can't check what the prices were, but I didn't spend more than £30 on all of this, so I feel like it was quite good in a way. So anyway, on to the items. You'll also notice I've only got one set of earrings in at the minute. That's because this ear is a bit sore. I've done a tester as well for some hair dye, so yeah, I'm just keeping that free at the minute just to keep an eye on it. But yeah, anyway, into what I bought. So let's start off with the big thing that I can get out of the way. I picked up a pack of, I think it's 9 toilet rolls, very basic. It just says super soft tissue, quantum quilts toilet tissue. Yeah, 9 rolls in there. I'm not fussy, to be fair, on what I use toilet roll wise, so I just picked up some of those whilst I was doing an order. Sticking with the bathroom, I also picked up something I'm obsessed with, and that is bleach. So I picked up 2 bottles of those. Yeah, I use bleach every single day, so I do get through it, so it's always good to stock up whilst I can. And then since we moved into this flat, the sinks, or specifically the taps, have been a bit lime scaly and just need a little bit of attention, so I picked up, I never know how you quite say this, is it Viacal? I always use this when I was cleaning other people's homes, and I know how good it works, so I wanted to pick up some of that I can use as well. And then my life wouldn't be complete without a little bit of Fabric Fresh. This is the Nalore Spring Awakening, which is my second favourite scent. The one that I really like is, what's it called? Yeah, complete baby brain there, but it's Sugar Plum Delight. It's a limited edition one that usually comes out around Christmas time. I'm really hoping they bring it out again this year because it smells amazing, and I do normally stock up on it, and I've got a little bit left, but to tide me over I picked up this one. Then I just picked up a 4-pack of yellow dusters, another of the Astonish Protect and Care antibacterial hand wash. This is the milk and honey. This is just so that I can top up the ones that we've got. I normally buy the one without the pump, but they didn't have that, so I've just had to buy one with the pump this time, unfortunately. Then I picked up some cling film because I definitely needed some, and why not? So this is 50 meters by 30 centimeters, and it's obviously standard cling film with the sharp bit, and I got 2 of those. Then I got an 8-meter kitchen foil, which hopefully will last me a little while. It's just so that I can, like, if I don't eat everything, I can kind of cover it in the fridge. I need to use the cling film. I've got some ham, so I want to cling film that up today. So that my parcel arrived in good time. And then I needed something to put sugar in. I don't like, I'm really fussy, but I don't like the matching sets when they're out on the side. I just think it's more clutter, more tidying up. So I like to usually just store everything away in a cupboard. So I literally just picked up one of these lockable, they're really stiff usually to start with, one of these sealed lockable jars, purely just to put the sugar in. I've already got a tin that the tea bags go in, and I just needed something to put some sugar in, so that will work perfectly. And then sticking with kitcheny kind of things, I picked up, Ash has suddenly got into coffee again, so I picked up the Nescafe Original pot. This says, yeah, it's a 100-gram pot, so it's not too big, because I always find if you buy the big one and then you don't end up using it all that often, because I'm sure he'll probably dip in and out of actually wanting to use it because he's a man. At least then it's not going all like clumpy and solid. And then I also picked up, although I wish they did them in like half size things, although they may well do, I just have never seen them, but I picked up the Saxa fine salt. I've got like a salt and pepper pot, so I just needed to fill that up. So that's probably gonna last me until baby starts school, probably, because I don't really use that much salt just in boiling potatoes, literally. But never mind. And then the only other foodie type thing, I picked up some of the, is it Viscount? Never quite know how you say that. But the mint little biscuits. I love these. These are really perfect as well for keeping in your handbag, not during this week because there's currently a heat wave. As I'm filming this, it is the beginning of September and it is boiling. But yeah, during like winter months, it'll be alright to just stick a couple in my handbag so that I've always got something to snack on should I need to. And having said that, I didn't pick up not one, not two, but I managed to pick up 4 packets of Viscount biscuits. Then on to, lastly, a little bit of health, beauty, whatever you want to call it. It's not really beauty, but I picked up for Ash a Nivea Men Power 24-hour fresh shower gel. It's a 3-in-1 body, face and hair, so I just picked that one up for him, because let's face it, probably the link sets are going to start rolling in very soon, because we're not that far from Christmas. And then I also picked up the I don't know how you say it, chlorhexidine antibacterial mouthwash. This is peppermint flavour. I used to swear by this, especially when I was going through orthodontic treatment and stuff. Yeah, I used to love this, and I always used to buy it from Wilko, but obviously I can't necessarily get that now. So when I saw they had a similar one on there, I thought I'd give that one a go. And then whilst I was on there, I literally just picked up, I think you get, I want to say you get 100 in here, just face round cotton pads. I use this with my Garnier Micellar cleansing water, yeah, and obviously taking off nail polish, which I really need to do because they are grim right now. Yeah, so they always come in handy, so when I see some I always pick them up. I normally go for the Primark ones, but I just thought I'd pick some up and try their ones whilst I was ordering from them. And then a couple of more pregnancy related things. I picked up the Always Daily Fresh Normal Wrapped Odor Lock. These are the panty liners. Yeah, pregnancy discharge is very much a thing, which is something I never really thought too much about before getting pregnant. So yeah, I've had to pick up some of these. It's all very glamorous. And then the only other thing I picked up was the Teeny Stars square cotton pads. This is for when baby arrives. It was on like the hospital baby list thing that I needed some sort of cotton pads or cotton wool, so I've just picked up these. And now I'm out of puff talking of baby. But yeah, that is everything that I picked up. I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and yeah, let me know if you buy anything from Poundshop online, because they've got some really amazing deals at the minute, so definitely check them out. And yeah, all that's left for me to say is thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye bye.